Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is about thermal analysis of piston. We are four authors here: Vijay Pokarkar, Saurabh Palke, Aditya Pawar, Aditya Yadav. Our guide is Professor Sagar Katakar, sir. We are from automobile department. Uh, Today we will cover these more topics about our uh, thermal analysis of piston, introduction, literature survey, proposed methodological, engine piston, material for piston, analysis report, conclusion, and reference. So today is we are covering the automobile components are in the great demand these days because of the increased use of automobiles. The increased demand is due to the improved performance and reduced cost of these components. R&D and the testing engineers should develop critical component in the shortest possible time to minimize long term for the new products. The necessary understanding of the technologies and quick absorption in the development of the new products is piston component of the reciprocating IC engines. The piston transfers the energy from expanding gases to mechanical energy. The pistons rides in the cylinder liner or sleeves. Pistons are commonly made of aluminum or cast iron alloys. To prevent the combustion gases, by pressing the piston to keep friction to a minimum. Each piston has several metal rings around it. These rings function as the seal between the piston and the cylinder wall and also act to reduce the friction, minimizing the contact area between the piston, the cylinder wall. The piston design should be rigid enough to prevent mechanism and thermal distortion, and it should be have sufficient bearing area to prevent under the wear. Piston is designed based on the strength and the thermal consideration. The strength of the piston pin should be sufficient against shear value. When the combustion takes place, the piston is subjected to the distortion, and the energy stored inside the piston serve as determining factor to know the yield and the failure condition of the piston. When subjected to the static loading, Mises creation can be formulated in the terms of one Mises stresses or equivalent tensile stress. A scar stress value can be computed from the same. For
We had studied the 5 review papers. From that, we are using same software for our project. Firstly, thermal analysis of piston using ANSYS, which is published in February 2019 by the author Vinay Pratik, Tanmay, and Rohit. In this, the thermal flux and thermal temperature distribution is analyzed by applying temperature on the piston surface. The thermal analysis of cast iron aluminum alloy material. Comparing result of both material of above, there is a difference between temperature in 1 minute. Aluminum is more heated as compared as cast iron, but cast iron is heavier in weight, so for better performance we can combine both materials. Secondly, thermal and static structure analysis of piston, which is published in May 2019 by the GVN Kaushik. In this paper, designing the 3D model of piston in SolidWorks structure and thermal analysis part will be done in ANSYS software using 4 different materials and finding the best material for the piston. Conclusion: while designing a piston, chromium 42 CRMO must be used to make the piston top land, because it is the surface of piston that directly comes in contact with combustion of fuel and high temperature, and AL-SI-C-12 must be used for piston skirts and rest of piston. Third, design and analysis of four-stroke piston for diesel engine thermal and static analysis, published in January 2018 by Shivaram Krishnan, Rajesh Somalingam, and Venkatesh. ANSYS on aluminum and zirconium coated aluminum piston surface. With the advancement in material science, very lightweight material with good thermal and mechanical properties can be used for fail-safe design of the IC engine. This will reduce the fuel consumption and protect the environment. Finally, we concluded that the aluminum alloy GSS 1300 and zirconium alloy material is best one when compared to aluminum alloy A2618. Fourth, structural and thermal analysis of IC engine piston head with concave and convex shape, published in July 2017 by D. Mani Sai Kamal. In, in this in comparison between the two types of piston design for which the analysis are carried out, the stresses and total deformation observed in concave shape piston are larger than the convex shape pistons. Fifth, thermal analysis of piston using convex and concave profile of piston head, published in June 2018 by Satish and PS Dhakar. Total heat flux found maximum 10.64 in aluminum alloy piston with concave shape, and minimum temperature found on top surface of piston in concave shape, that is 154.390 degrees Celsius. So it is concluded that concave type piston show better thermal properties in this analysis. Proposed methodology. From this we from start to literature survey, define material of pistons, design of pistons, then meshing, applying convective boundary conditions, baseline result. Then we change the material geometry, redo meshing analysis. Then we found the result. Good stop. Engine piston. The piston is a disc which reciprocates with cylinder. It is either moved by the fluid or it moves fluid. It moves the fluid which enters the cylinder. Function of piston to receive the impulse from the expanding gas, to transmit the energy to crankshaft through the connecting rod, to disperse the large amount of heat from combustion chamber to cylinder walls.
This is our piston design. We designed piston with the bore, the stroke 86 mm, with the bore 98 mm. We also introduced oil holes are there at 45 degree. Next, to withstand high gas pressure, inertia force, to minimize inertia forces, to dispense the heat combustion, to withstand thermal and mechanical dispersion, to possess good wearing qualities, to have little or no tendency towards. Those are the main requirements for designing of piston. Next, material comparison between cast iron pistons and aluminum alloy pistons. The cast iron pistons are used for moderately rated engine with a piston speed below 6 meters per second. And aluminum alloy pistons are used for highly rated engines running at a higher piston speed. Since the coefficient thermal expansion for aluminum is about 2.5 times that the CI, therefore the greater clearance must be provided between the piston and the cylinder wall than the cast iron piston. In order to prevent seizing of the piston when engine runs continuously under heat load, since the aluminum alloys used to pistons have high heat conductivity, nearly four times that the cast iron aluminum alloys are having high heat conductivity. Therefore, these pistons ensure high rate of heat transfer rate, thus keeps down the maximum ion temperature difference between center and edges of the piston head or crown. Since the aluminum alloys are about 3 times lighter than the cast iron, therefore its mechanical strength is good at low temperature, but they lose their strength about 50 degree at temperatures about 325 degrees Celsius. The most commonly used materials for piston of IC engines are cast iron, cast aluminum, forged aluminum, cast steel, and forged steel. Next, piston rings. So the function of piston rings to impact necessary radial pressure piston to maintain the seal between piston and the cylinder bore. Material requirements to good wearing properties, to retain spring characteristics even at high temperature. Materials gray cast iron is used or alloy cast iron is used. There are two types of compression rings, piston rings, two in which two compression rings or pressure rings are used, and one oil control ring or oil scraper is also known oil scraper. This is the ANSYS report of our piston. This is the main solid diagram. Next, the geometrical consideration, object name geometry, is type to design moderate. Length unit as R's in meters. Bounding box is length 9.80 minus properties. So volume is 2.811 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. Mass 1.26 kg, only 1.26 kg. Scale factor value 1, what is 1? This is our actual work on ANSYS. While increasing temperature, next. Material like the titanium are used. Thermal conductivity of titanium is 21 watt per meter Celsius. Its density is 4,500 kilogram per meter cube. Specific heat is 5,200 to 522 joule per kg Celsius. The color and the result is red to 34, green to 47, and blue 209.
So we have take the references from this analysis of piston, the structural and transmit thermal analysis of the piston using analysis workbench 15.0. IV Suvina, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineer, QS Institute of the Technology, Ongole, India, and Mani, Paras, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, QS Institute of the Technology. Static and thermal analysis of piston using FM analysis, Valentin Meritate, Faculty of Engineering, University, Lunare de Jos, Galati, Romania. Thermal analysis of the piston using convex and concave profile of piston head, Satish Sharma. Yes, Kakar. Thermal analysis of the piston using analysis Mr. Vinay D. Shinde 1, Mr. Pratik P. Shinde 2, Mr. Tanmay P. Tatrevkar, Professor Rohit Pandavle, B. Student Mechanical Engineer Department, Shivaji Rao, Chandra College of Engineering and Technology, Asanga. Thermal and static structure analysis on the piston, GVN, Kaushik. Design and analysis of the force of piston for diesel engine, thermal and static analysis. Shivakshnam and Rajesh S. Small Somalikam V. Venkatesh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, Pratyusha Engineering College of Trivandrum and India. Structure and thermal analysis of the IC engine piston head with the congruent corners shape D. Mani Sai Kamal. Thank you.
Thank you.